Do you want to make money online? This video is for you.
Hi, I'm George Pierce, and thank you for watching. This video is the 5th video in a training series on affiliate marketing. And in this video, what we're going to do is take a closer look at our competition. I will be including a link, by the way, to the first video in this series. If this is something that's of interest to you, you can click on that link, of course, and kind of start at the beginning. In this video, we're going to look again at our competition. And the reason is that they're already doing it. So we're going to try to emulate what they're doing, only hopefully we're going to do it better. So let's get right to it. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, and that way you won't miss out on any of these videos. Pretty easy to find out. It's pretty easy to find out what our competition is doing. The two methods that I'm going to share with you are real simple. We're going to use the search box, and we're going to use the search box at YouTube. So we've got our Google search box, or whatever, Bing, or whatever search your engine that you're using, and then we're going to use YouTube search. We're going to use YouTube search because on the marketing end of things, and I'm getting a little ahead of myself, but on the marketing side of things, YouTube is going to be very, very helpful. It's going to be very instrumental in helping us to rank, hopefully on the first page. I've had some pretty good success at getting on the first page, and I want to share that, what I'm doing. I want to share what I'm doing with you so that you can get the same kind of results. So we're going to use those two search engines. But let's go ahead and get to that.
So we're on Google Search, and you can use Google Search. If you don't have Google Search, you can type in Google Search in your search box, and it'll take you to this page. As you can see, I've typed in flat belly, and I've got a drop down that says flat belly fix and flat belly diet, and so forth. So I type in flat belly fix, or click on it. That's going to take us to our search page, and you can see there's several different advertisements. And typically we don't want to click on the advertisements, they're just paid. That's one way to make this happen, but we're not ready for that just yet. But what we want to do is look at maybe the top. I'm going to open a couple of sites here, a couple of review sites, and as you can see, review is probably the key word. That's right now, if it's a review, it seems to get much more attention. So we're going to put our focus on review sites, and that's probably what we're going to be creating. And I'm opening a couple of sites right here. This is the Flat Belly Fix review. Can Todd Lamb help you get a flat belly? And this is by healthvi.org. And to be honest with you, I'm not crazy about this particular website, and part of the reason is there's no imagery, and that's something, or very little. As you can see here, there's an image of the web page, but this is still worth looking at, of course. And what you want to look at is the title, the call to action, and then the middle part, which is the flow. How did they get from the title to the call to action? And the thing that you want to look at about a particular site, would you be willing to click on that site? Would you be willing to click on the call to action? If you're sold, then there's a good chance that other people might be sold. But if not, then maybe there's a good chance that other people are not going to get sold. But the main thing here is we want to look at the title, and then we want to look at the call to action. Okay, we're going to look at another site. No offense, but I was not extremely happy with that last site. See if we can do a little bit better. I like this right off the bat. There's an excellent header, and the information, lots of pictures. Looks like a good flow, several calls to action. Those arrows are like calls to action. So this is a site worth looking at. And I'm going to leave a link below, by the way, to this site so that you can look at it as well. What we want to look at is the heading, or the header, the headline, the call to action or multiple calls to action. Nothing wrong with asking a person to buy more than once, 2, 3, 4, depending on how long the sales page is. There's no problem with that. In addition, and again, this header tells it all. The header, you've got the flat belly fix, you've got imagery. I'm going to leave a link below, by the way, to another website called Pixlr, Pixlr, that will enable you to create headers like that if you want to make one, which I would strongly suggest. This is an excellent site. And then what I've done here is just click on the link to make sure that that took us to the sales page, and it does, as it is supposed to. This is really an excellent site. So the idea here is to look at the header or headline, look at the call to action, and then how did they bring that customer? What kind of flow? We want to have a flow. We want to walk that customer down a path that they're not going to leave, and a path that's going to take them to our call to action. And then while we're doing that, we want to create a desire or an interest to the point where they're willing to go ahead and click. And the whole idea is we want to get a conversion. Now, in this case, the conversion is a click-through. We want them to click through to our affiliate. So that's the whole purpose of our sales page. That's the whole purpose of our review. Our review is ultimately a sales page, and we want our viewer to take action. The action that we want them to take is to click through, to go ahead and click in order to go through or go to our affiliate. So now we're at YouTube, and we'll start typing in flat belly fix. And you can see on the drop down, YouTube is giving us keyword ideas. Flat belly fix is the number one. And then these are the results. You'll notice on the right hand side it says vidIQ. I'm going to leave a link below. This particular top one here, flat belly fix review. If you look at the views relative to subscribers, the first two are great. So what we want to do is click on those first two, open them in a separate tab, and we'll take a look at them. Let me share that by great, what I'm saying is we've got a lot of views with a relatively smaller number of subscribers. If there's a zillion subscribers, then that is not always a good indication on the views. But when there's low subscribers and a lot of views, that video is worth looking at, because there's some reason why they're getting all those views. That's what we want to find out. So, well, let's take a look. See what the video is all about.
So half a cup less to start. So you can go back to those starchy vegetables if you like, and that's where you throw them in, and half a cup less.
As you can get a feel, and again, you'd have to watch the video, but this video is more of an overview of just a good, healthy diet, healthy eating.
Potatoes, corn, some legumes.
So again, if I'm interested in a video or a review, a written review, I'll go ahead and hit Control-D, and that'll bookmark it. That'll allow me to go back and review it in its entirety at a later time. Now, this next video is what do you get with Flat Belly Fix, and it's more of just a slideshow. That's all it is, with some music here. I'll give you a sample of it. As you can see, it's a simple slideshow with music. That's all it is, which is that those types of videos do work. I've seen very simple slideshow videos get thousands and millions of views, so that's not a problem. And then just a little bit of music and the text. If you're camera shy, at least you can create a slideshow, and the whole idea is that YouTube is going to really, really make a difference as far as how successful you're going to be at affiliate marketing. So it's essential. It's very, very important. On the right hand side, you will see keywords, and I simply copy and paste them. And then, as you can see, I've got the keywords. These will help me for tags, for description, for title, as well as for my regular website. I'm able to get these keywords because of an app. It's a free app which is available for YouTube, and it's called vidIQ. I'm going to leave a link below to that, and also I use TubeBuddy. I'll leave a link to that as well. Those are both free apps for YouTube, and they do help a lot with the analysis, especially make it a lot easier as far as, for example, getting keywords. The number one thing that I want you to take away from this video is the value, the importance of learning from our competition. I think that's something that a lot of marketers, affiliate marketers, and YouTubers, a lot of us, maybe we weren't taught. Anyway, we overlook it, and it's a shortcut to help us to get there faster. It's going to help us to make money faster. In our next video, we're going to be doing the review. We're going to set up a review site, and hopefully we'll have time to do a video as well. So I'd like to get that. Either that'll be the next video or the next two videos, depending on how long it takes to share that with you. So that's what you have to look forward to. Now, after that, we're going to get into the marketing. This is the nitty-gritty. So we're getting close. Once we get the review set up, once we get the video set up, then we can start focusing on driving traffic and making money. To me, this is fun. I hope you're enjoying it. I really get a kick out of doing this stuff, and I hope you do too. And of course, you're going to enjoy the results. Now, if these videos have been of help to you, go ahead and subscribe, and that way you won't miss out. Hit the subscribe button. I always get that backwards. Hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, and then you won't miss out on any of these videos. I've already mentioned it, but there'll be a link to the first video and all the links below. Below this video, you'll find a lot of additional resources as well, so be sure to check that out. So I do want to thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Allow me to wish you much success.